All right, let's do it. This is 2025 Lego Set Series 1. This is number 104. Let's go. We got Isaac to Nick. You guys are all in. That's 15. We're going to add 3 here from our sprint, so good luck. He really is. He's a beast. We got Andrew B to Nick R. All right. Winner gets 2 and second gets 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you can tell the Bengals miss him over there, too. For real. And they better pay T. Higgins, by the way. And Chase. Just saying. All right, Drew, you got 2 and Nick got 1. All right. Very good. So good luck, guys. And let's see what we got here. Let's do our we'll do our envelope random first, 1 through 9 here. In this case, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, number 6, guys. Number 6. We will roll. And here we go. Isaac down to Nick. 18 flip guys, names and brand 7 times each. All right, Nick R to Nick R, look out. And here comes brands next. Lego Wednesday to Lego Architecture. Okay. We pop a Star Wars out of here. So a couple of these other ones I like. Super Mario, Harry Potter. You guys might hear some nerd stuff, so sorry. All right. Let me screen share it for you. And we drew number 6, so let's see. 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. And there's 6 right there. Okay, yep. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got here. We've had some great stuff pop out of these already. Tough guy, Rip. Dun, dun. Let's get the next one going, guys. Get kicks cranking. And it's... Oh! That's interesting. We pulled this because we... you know, they have the this Fortnite's got its own like following. I can tell you from the cards, the game, everything. And my oldest daughter plays, so yeah. Fortnite Lego 77073. Nice. Lego Fortnite. That's Drew. All right, man. Drew B. That is you. Outstanding. I can tell you, man. If you look at some of those cards up there on eBay from I think from Series 1, it's like unbelievable. But even some of their other stuff, just crazy following. Nice one, man. All right. Andrew B, look out. Let's do it again, guys. It's Lego 104. Thanks, everybody, for joining. That was cool. So we actually saw some of the packs in the brown bags on the wheel, too, by the way. The old brown bags.